Hi everyone, Kira here from Marketing at Sked Social. Welcome to today's Sked tutorial where I'll be walking you through this creative story idea. This one is particularly great for businesses who have Instagram shops and want to feature your products or a sale, but you can easily adapt this to any topic of your choice. Let's get started. First, let's open up Instagram and start a story. Just take a photo, go to your camera roll, and copy the photo that you want to add onto your story. This way we can paste it as a sticker. Then we'll select the pen tool and color match to one of the colors in our photo. Right here, I'm choosing to go with a brown, fallish color. Then I just tap my finger on the background and hold down. That'll change the whole background color to be the color I want. Next, we're going to start with the text. I'm going to type out shop and I'm going to click the little A to change the font style. And I'm going to also match this color to some colors in the photo to keep that vibe going. Once I find a color I like, I'm just dragging my finger around. I am choosing a gray here and we'll just move it to the top left corner of our photo. Next, we're going to type out the word sale, and we're going to use the font that has like 3 background colors and shadow effects. And to change the shadows, we just click the A 3 times, and then I'm going to color match it by selecting the color wheel and dragging my finger again around the photo. And this way you'll be able to see that there's 3 different levels of colors in this word sale. We're going to make it really big and put it at the bottom of our photo. Next, I'm going to take that same type tool and I'm going to type a bunch of underscores to create a line. Then I'm going to make that line a little bit bigger and wider and move it directly into the middle of the word sale. And then I'm going to click on the underscores and change the color and change it to the same background color. So that way it looks like there's a hole through the word sale. Just touch the color wheel and move your finger till it's on the background color and matches. Now we're going to take the text tool again and type out sale, but we're going to put some spaces in between the letters and kind of stretch out the word. Then I'm just going to drag that and overlay it on top of our other one. And here is where you would tag any products that you're featuring and add a swipe up link so people can easily shop from your story. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe for more videos. Drop any questions in the comments below. See you later.